morning, dears. Yesterday we have completed up to question number 3 from exercise 6.3. Hope you have completed. Number 4, it says a car can cover a distance of 330 kilometers on 5 liters of petrol. How far can it travel on 17 liters of petrol? "25 liters petrol a car covers," you can write it with the 25 liter petrol, car covers 330 kilometers. So with 1 liter petrol, car covers 330 by 25 kilometers. So with 17 liter petrol, car covers 330 by 25 into 17 kilometers. We have to get it for 1, then for 17, is it? 5 5s are 5, 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. Now it won't cut more. So it gives you 66 into 17 by 5 kilometers. We'll just multiply it. 17 6 are 102. 17 6 are 102 and 10 112. By 5 kilometers. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. And 5 4s are 20. 224.4 kilometers. Question number 5 says, if 29 workers were paid rupees 3,335 as wages, how many workers can be paid rupees 4,830 at the same rate? Question number 5. Rupees 3,335 were paid as wages to 29 workers. Therefore, rupees 1 was paid as to 29 by 3,335 workers. Therefore, rupees 4,830 were paid 29 by 3,335 into 4,830 workers. Now we'll just cancel it. 29 ones are 29, 43, 29 ones are 29. Just see. $115. Now 115. 5s are 5, 23s are 5, 9s are 45, 6 are 30, 6 are 30. Nine 66, 23. 92, 46, 42. So we'll get 42 workers. Question number 5. Number 6, it says a pipe can fill 4 liter tanks in 2 hours 20 minutes. How long will it take to fill 7 such tanks using the same pipe? 4 water tanks. Question number 6. Given 4 4 water tanks can be filled in 2 hours 20 minutes. Or this 2 hour 20 minute I am converting into hours. What does it gives you? 2 plus 20 by 60. 3 hours. 2 whole 1 by 3 hours or 7 by 3 hours. Now, so 4 water tank are filled in 7 by 3 hours. So therefore, 1 water tank is filled 7 by 3 by 4 hours, or 7 water tank are filled 7 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 7 hours. Or 49 by 12 hours, or 4 hours, five minutes. 4 hours 5 minutes. Once again I'm explaining. It was given 2 hours 20 minutes, converted into hour, that gives you 7 hours 3 minutes. Then we found 4 whole 1 by 12 hours. Then that is converted into minute. 4 hour is 4 hour. 1 by 12 hours converted into minute. So I have multiplied with 60. So the answer gives you 4 hours 5 minutes. This is question number 6. Number 7. At a particular time of a day, a 6.5 meter high flagstaff casts a shadow that is 9 meter long. What is the height of the building that casts a shadow 22.5 meter in length at the same time? Now the length of shadows are given. So we have to get the length of building. Is it? Question number 7. Nine meter long shadow is cast if the length of a building is 6.4 meter. So therefore 1 meter long shadow is cast if the length of building is 6.4 by 9 meter. So therefore 22.5 meter shadow is cast if the length of the building is 6.4 by 9 into 22.5 meter. Now we'll solve it. (16 meter). So the length of building is equal to 16 meter. Question number 7. If a jet plane flies 2700 kilometers in 3 hours, what distance would it cover in 5 whole 1 by 2 hours? Ticket for the homework. Question number 7. Question number 8. Homework. If a 54 man can finish a piece of work in 49 days, how many men will be needed to finish the work? Finish it in 42 days. 49 days, 54 men. So 1 day, 54 into 49 men. This is indirect. Question number 9. More days, less people. Less days, more people. Till now we had more amount, more things, more time, more distance covered. But now in question number 9, if the number of people is increased, number of days for working is decreases, is it? To finish the work in 49 days, 54 men needed. So, to finish the work in 1 day, 54 into 49 men is needed. Because I have to finish the work, so I have to finish the people now who are working. So, to finish the work in 42 days, how many people we need, how many men we need? 54 into 49 by 42 men. Now we'll solve it here. 7 6 are, 7 7s are, 6 9s are. 63 men we need to finish the work in 42 days. Because the number of working days is reduced. From 49 it has come to 42. So we have to increase the number of people who are working. Number 10. If 12 men creep a field in 8 days, how many days can 16 men reap a field? Now 12 men can reap a field in 8 days. So 1 man can reap the field in 8 into 12 is, the number of people is reduced, so the number of days will increase. So therefore 16 man can reap the field in 8 into 12 by 16 days. 4 3s are, 4 4s are, 4 2s are. 6 days they can reap the field. So with this we have completed unitary method. The next we have speed, time and distance. That we will be doing tomorrow. Till then you keep practicing, my dears. If any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow when we have live class. Thank you.